Open the case and remove the patient circuit. Undo the retaining strap from the vaporizer. Take out the vaporizer and secure it to the support stand using the screw. Take out the reservoir block and connect to the vaporizer inlet. Connect the inspiratory valve to the vaporizer output, ensuring the correct direction of flow. Connect the self-inflating bag to the front of the inspiratory valve via a silicone tube. Connect the expiratory side of the valve to the case and secure with screw. Connect the patient circuit to the outlet of the inspiratory valve and then connect the other limb to the expiratory valve. Test the circuit is complete by using a test lung or 1 litre bag. The anaesthetic agent output is controlled by moving the lever on the front of the vaporizer. The DPA02 system is suitable for anaesthetizing adult or paediatric spontaneously breathing patients or with assisted manual ventilation. The gas flow in the circuit works by entraining air through the one-way valve at the back of the reservoir block. This is either controlled by the patient's own inspiratory effort when spontaneously breathing or through controlled manual ventilation by the anaesthetist squeezing the self-inflating bag. One side of the tube connects to the inspiratory valve and the other side connects to the expiratory valve. Now we can see as the gas flows out down one side of the tube and back down the other side. PEEP and scavenging can be applied on the 30mm outlet of the expiratory valve if required. To adjust the PEEP valve, remove the valve by pulling it away from the clear case. To adjust the valve, turn the red cap clockwise to increase pressure and anti-clockwise to reduce pressure. The PEEP valve pressures range from 0 to 20 cm H2O. Supplementary oxygen can be added to the system through this tube, either from an oxygen concentrator or from an oxygen cylinder using the flow regulator supplied. If the level of oxygen supplementation is less than the patient's minute volume, the bag will empty. If the oxygen supplementation is increased, the bag will fill and the circuit will become continuous flow. The overpressure valve on the reservoir block avoids excessive pressure in the system. A smaller self-inflating bag and silicone circuit is provided for paediatric use. An Ayres T-piece can also be fitted if required. In order to use a T-piece, the supplementary oxygen must be at least 3 times the patient's minute volume. The patient circuit valve consists of an inspiratory side and an expiratory side. The two sides are linked by the stabilizing tube that transmits pressure during manual ventilation to close the expiratory side, allowing the lung to be ventilated. The Isoflurane Halothane Vaporizer is calibrated for either of those agents. The scale runs from 0 to 5%. It is filled by unscrewing the cap and using the funnel supplied. The vaporizer can hold up to 150 millilitres of anaesthetic agent, and the level of agent should always be visible in the sight glass. A Sevoflurane Vaporizer is available on request. If the Sevoflurane Vaporizer is fitted with key fill, it is simply filled by pushing the bottle into the filler cap. The vaporizer can be emptied in the same way. The settings on the Sevoflurane Vaporizer are 1 to 4%, and a further setting for induction that will provide a nominal 8%.